Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Hello you guys and welcome. So today is going to be a super random video. I just kicked out my family. They all went to the park and I'm just going to try to get some stuff done. It's actually Sunday today. The house is kind of a disaster from the weekend. We had friends over the other night, so I am going to go clean the back patio up a little bit. So this is going to kind of be like a cleaning video. Just kind of hang out with me. I am going to talk about something that I'm really excited to actually talk about because it's one of my favorite things in the world. When I get up in the morning, I look forward to my first cup of coffee. It is literally one of the highlights of my day. So when this company reached out to me and wanted me to try their coffee, I immediately said yes. I'm very picky about who I will respond to, but when they said coffee, I was like, yes, please sign me up. So I just had my eggs. It is time for the coffee, and I thought I would bring you guys along. And I didn't really know I'd never heard of this coffee, but they're a little bit different in the fact that it comes frozen. So it literally, the box showed up and the box was still kind of chilly, and it was all the coffees were on dry ice. So it's a subscription, like you can get a box every month. I will say it is a little pricey, but it's good coffee. Like if you go to Starbucks every day, you can totally afford this. This is cheaper than Starbucks every day. They partner with the very best independent roasters across the USA to source the highest quality coffee. Their innovative brew technique extracts more flavor and aroma than previously possible, and they come flash frozen for peak freshness. So basically, you keep them frozen. I have one right now on the counter just kind of thawing out a little bit so I can make it. It's just supposed to lock in the freshness and always have a fresh pot of coffee. So I normally use my Keurig over here, and I have just the normal little pods. I'm obsessed with the flavors right now. I've been drinking the Dunkin' Turtle Love. That's one of my favorites. The box that they sent me has a nice variety from light to dark. They gave me 4 boxes, and basically it's like a month's worth of coffee, because there's 8 in each box, so that's 32. That's like a cup a day. I try not to get more than a cup a day just because I don't need all that extra caffeine. I get jittery, so yeah. So I'm just gonna grab them out of the freezer and kind of show you guys what I got, and then we'll brew it and I'll try it for the first time. I'm really excited. So these are the 4 they sent me. This one looks to be medium blend, Amsterdam. Now I don't know. Yeah, it says with notes of dark chocolate, walnut, and caramel. That sounds amazing. This one is called Big Trouble, and this is a dark blend with notes of caramel, nuts, and a round finish. Oh, I see. And then it kind of tells you where they're found, where the beans are found, I'm assuming. Ingredients: water, coffee. This one is light, and this has notes of red apple, caramel, and stone fruit. This is actually the one we're gonna try today. And then this one is a medium as well with notes of chocolate, molasses, and tangerine. That sounds good. But yeah, so these are all frozen. So they just kind of slide out like that. And like I said, they come with 8 of them. This is the one that I've had sitting out for a little bit. So they say to just kind of let it sit out for a few minutes to kind of thaw, and then you can make it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, like I said, they said to just kind of thaw it out a little bit. And then let's just open it and see. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Wow, okay, so you can kind of see it. I think it's still a little frozen, but they said you can just thaw it a little bit and then just dump this into a cup. So what I'm gonna do is just put it in here. They said you can put these in your Keurigs, but I don't know. I'm just gonna pour it in. So I'm gonna pour it in here and then add hot water to it, and then we're gonna give it a taste. I'm gonna try it without creamer first just to see, and then I'll probably add a little creamer to it. But all right, let's do this. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely still a little bit frozen in there. The whole little pod came out. So it's just coffee concentrate, I guess. And then I'm just gonna put it over here. I better take that one out. And then I'm just gonna hit hot water, and then I think we'll do this one, and then I'll add my creamer to it. Oh my gosh, it smells so much fresher than like my other K-Cups. Wow. There's no filter in here, like the whole entire thing is recyclable. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a rinse out and then throw it in my recycle bin. Okay. Oh my gosh, it seriously smells so good. Let's give it a try. So like I said, this one was the light. That is so good. Like, I could drink this without even adding creamer. This is so yummy. Normally, I can't do black coffee like at home just because I feel like the flavor is not there, but this is so good. Oh my gosh, that's really, really yummy. All right, I am gonna add a little bit of creamer to it, and then, I don't know if you guys have seen these before. I bought this off Amazon and I'm obsessed with it. It's just a little stirrer, and you have to be careful because it's powerful and like the coffee can go everywhere. But it mixes your creamer up so well, and it kind of makes it frothy, so it's almost like a latte. So I'm gonna add, I just have like caramel vanilla. Oh my gosh, see? It already spilled. Usually what I do is I will put the creamer in the bottom of the cup, but I didn't want to do it this time because I wanted to try the coffee without. But sometimes what I'll do is put the creamer in the bottom of the cup and froth it up and then add the coffee, and then it's like the perfect little latte. If you do it after, it kind of makes a mess. It's kind of frothy like a latte. Who needs Starbucks, honestly? All right, let's try it. It feels like I bought this cup of coffee from like a coffee shop. This is so good. I approve. So I will put a link to their website in my description box. I'm not getting paid for this video. They sent me the coffee for free to try out, and you guys know me, I'm always gonna give my honest opinion. So it's pricey, but I like coffee, and that's something that I would spend my money on just because I enjoy it and it makes me happy in the morning. If I have to be up early, I'm going to enjoy a cup of coffee. So, all right, you guys, I am just going to hopefully be like the Energizer Bunny after this, and I'm just gonna kind of go around the house and get done what I can while they're gone. It's impossible to clean with a 1-year-old. So yeah, that's why I made the husband leave. She's teething right now, so I don't know how long they're gonna last because she's super duper fussy, but we're just gonna go and try to get some stuff done. You guys can come along with me. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just start cleaning up the back patio. I like to put the high chair out there. I spray it down at the end of the night because she makes a mess. So I cleaned that, and then it was just out there drying. So I'm just gonna fold up all the towels and put them away and just tidy up the little couch, which, by the way, we found this couch for free on our Facebook, one of my Facebook neighborhood pages, and I'm obsessed with this thing. All right, now I'm gonna move on to the kitchen and just kind of put all the dishes away. These were all just drying. And then I'm gonna throw some of the dishes into the dishwasher, and we're gonna clean up the sink. That little sponge holder is disgusting. Yeah, don't judge me. It was so dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and give that thing a nice scrub and then just tidy up the kitchen a bit.
Don't look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way.
Okay. Change of plans. We are going to do something that is, oh, there's my hair. We are going to do something that is long overdue. I just realized I haven't done this in like 2 years. So I'm going to regret this in like 20 minutes, but we're going to do it. I'm going to empty my entire closet, my half, and go through everything and organize. I have so much stuff in my closet that I don't wear, and I keep holding on to it thinking maybe I'll wear it for something, and I never do. And it's the clutter is driving me nuts. So I would rather donate it to maybe so someone else can get some use out of it. Yeah, so we're gonna go through. I'm gonna kind of have 3 piles, like donate, keep, and maybe throw away if it's like something that I can't keep, like underwear or something. I have a lot of bras too that don't fit me, and I'm probably just gonna throw those away because that's just weird. So yeah, we're gonna do it before. Don't judge too hard. Let's just get into it. Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing. I just have too much stuff. Like, this is just embarrassing. Plus, okay, in my defense, my kids come in here quite often and they just kind of mess stuff up too. So it's not all me, but yeah. So I'm just gonna go through and take everything out and start decluttering. Let's do this. So I had a bunch, well, I thought I had a bunch of footage from me like throwing all this stuff on the bed and kind of going through it. Yeah, apparently I wasn't recording. So this is kind of the only angle I can get inside my closet because my camera is plugged in because the battery dies. So I am not able to get the camera all the way into the closet. So you guys, this is pretty much the only view you're gonna get. Oh dear. Oh, that's not good. We almost went down. We're good. Why do I keep this stuff? I mean, yes, it's very beautiful, but what am I gonna do with it? Okay, so for the most part, everything is cleared out. Now comes the annoying part, putting everything back together. So I'm going to dust all these shelves and then start putting stuff back. And definitely getting rid of stuff because I saw a bunch of items that I have not worn in can't even tell you when, and I don't need them. So we're gonna get rid of stuff. I'm going to do the drawers, but that will probably be off camera because this video is probably gonna be really long anyway, so you guys don't want to see that. Okay, I'll be back when it's time to put some of this other stuff away that you guys can see because I'm gonna do my shoes next and I don't think you can see that. So I will definitely show you an after. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm calling it. I am tired. It looks pretty good, okay? I didn't get rid of as much stuff as I was wanting to, but I did put quite a bit of stuff for donation. And then I did start like a new little bin of stuff that I'm gonna hang on to and just see if I wear it or, you know, if I look for it. And then if I don't, I'll probably donate it. But I am not gonna lie, I did not get to these drawers because it would have taken forever and I'm tired. The baby's teething, so yeah, I'm calling it a night. So I will show you guys a little after here, but thank you so much for hanging with me today. I probably should have made another cup of that coffee from earlier because I'm pooped. So, all right, I hope you guys have a good one and thanks for hanging with me. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Crying